Reset factory. What is reset factory? Reset factory is a process that clears all the data and setting from a device and returns it to its default settings. Meaning that the device is reset to the point where it is in the same state it was when it was first taken out the box. Factory reset means that you restore the device to its original system state by erasing all of the information stored on the device in an attempt to restore the device's software to its original manufacturer settings. It helps users regain control of their device and troubleshoot issues quickly by permanently deleting all the personal information including contact, messages, emails, and apps. Factory resetting the device to its original state helps solve any software and configuration issue, allowing it to function normally again. This can include fixing issues with software updates, fixing error in the operation system, and improving overall performance. Doing a factory reset will delete nearly everything on the device, including personal data, settings, apps, and accounts. Personal data. This includes documents, photos, videos, music, and other types of personal files. Settings. Any setting you have configured on the device, such as network settings, app settings, system settings, and etc., will be reset to their defaults. Apps. Installed application and their data will be erased. Accounts. All the accounts logged in on the device like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and etc. will be removed. A factory reset can be effectively way to remove virus from the device as it wipes out all the data and settings, including any virus or malware that may be present on the device. However, it's crucial to remember that not all the malware and virus can be eliminated with the factory resets. Furthermore, even after a device has been reset to reset factory setting, some viruses can be persist, especially if they have been well embedded into the firmware or operation system. Seeking professional assistance in such as the cases is necessary. On a Windows device, follow these steps by perform a factory restore. But first, if you're using a laptop or another mobile device, connect it to an outlet to keep it charged. If you can connect your laptop to an outlet, ensure you have a battery charge of at least 50%. Otherwise, Microsoft won't let you do a factory reset. Open the Start menu and click the gear icon to open Settings. Then choose Recovery in the left pane. Under the Reset This PC heading, click Get Started, then select Remove Everything. Choose Cloud Download for an erase installation of the Windows. Click Next and Reset. When Windows is done reinstalling, all user installed app and data and user account will be deleted from the computer. What is the disadvantages of the factory reset? Overall, a factory reset can be a helpful tool for returning a device to its default settings and addressing device problems. However, knowing its potential disadvantages is important to prevent losing critical data or further compromising the device, including data loss, time-consuming software updates, malware persistence. Data loss. A factory reset's major drawback is that it erases all of the data on the device, including all the contact, message, photographs, videos, and other sensitive information that might have been saved there. As a result, it's crucial to back up all the important data before a factory reset. Time consuming. Performing a factory reset can be time consuming, especially if you don't have a proper tool to do it. After the reset, you must reinstall all the apps and configure all your settings. Software update. The loss of software updating installed on the device may also happen when doing a factory reset. Malware persistence. As previously mentioned, some viruses can be resist a factory reset, especially if they have infected the firmware or operation system of the device. Good luck.